Welcome to our channel, where we discuss everything related to health and beauty. In today's video, we will be talking about something that is often overlooked but is essential for overall well-being. First is sleep. A good night's sleep can be the difference between feeling alert and productive versus sluggish and unmotivated. But with so many distractions and stressors in our daily lives, it's no wonder that many of us struggle to get the rest we need. That's why we have put together a list of tips and tricks to help you get a restful night's sleep. 1. Establish a sleep routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. 2. Create a soothing environment. Make sure your sleeping space is comfortable and conducive to sleep. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool. 3. Unplug from electronics. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can disrupt sleep patterns. Try to avoid using your phone, tablet, or laptop for at least an hour before bedtime. 4. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can interfere with sleep quality, so it's best to avoid them or consume them in moderation. 5. Practice relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can all help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. 6. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity not only helps tire the body out, but it can also improve sleep quality. 7. Evaluate your bed and pillow. An uncomfortable bed or pillow can make it difficult to get comfortable and stay asleep. Invest in a quality mattress and pillows that support your sleep position. Getting quality sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. By following these tips and tricks, you can set yourself up for a restful night's sleep, leading to increased productivity and a better quality of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.